Welcome back to our class. Today we're starting Chapter 3, Subtraction within 10,000, and our lesson for today is going to be subtracting without regrouping. The learning objective is going to be I can subtract up to 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Let's remember a little bit of what a subtraction is. Subtraction is when you have a whole and then you take away one of the parts. So you have one part that was taken away and the other one that was left behind. And together, these two parts, when put together, they are going to make the whole. Now let's review some of the vocabulary we're going to be using in this lesson. Some of the words that indicate subtraction are less, minus, take away, subtract, left, difference, remain, fear. If you're trying to find the part, that indicates subtraction too. And when you are comparing, that is going to indicate subtraction too. So what does that mean? When you see the question, how much more than, how many more than, or how much less than, or how many less than, that's comparing, and that's going to indicate subtraction too. Now let's see the parts of the subtraction. The parts of the subtraction are the minuend. Now the minuend is going to be the whole. The subtrahend is the part that you're going to be taking away. That's going to be one part. And the difference is what is left. That's going to be another part. So when you read a subtraction, you have to tell this 19 minus 8 equals 11. Now let's see this in context of a problem. The problem says, Sophia and Christian have 3,368 stickers in all. Sophia has 1,254 stickers. How many stickers does Christian have? After reading the problem, don't forget to underline the question and take away the words that are part of the question, like how many and the auxiliary verb does. Now using stickers, Christian and have, we write the answer statement, which is Christian has blank stickers. Now let's think a little bit about the problem. The problem says, hold on a second. The problem says that Sophia and Christian have together 3,368 stickers. So they have the whole stickers because they have all these together. Now, here says too that Sophia has part of those stickers because she has 1,354 stickers. That means that we are trying to find how many has Christian, and that's the part that we don't know. Now remember, when we're looking for the part, that means we need to subtract. So let's do the subtraction to find the answer to this problem. When we're subtracting, we only represent the whole. So the whole is 3,368. Oops. 68. Now from this number, we're going to take away the part. That means we're not representing the second number because we're going to take from the whole, we're going to take the part. And the part we're going to take is 1,254. Now, remember when we're subtracting, we always start in the ones. So 8 ones minus 4 ones is going to be, let's subtract them here. Take those 4 away, and we're going to have 4 left. Now let's go to the tens. We have 6 tens, and then we have to take away 5 tens. So let's take them away. We take them away, and then we have 1 10 left. Now it's the turn of the hundreds. We have 3 hundreds, and we're going to take away these 2 hundreds. So when we take them away, it's going to be only 100 left. And finally, we have 3 thousands, and we're going to take 1,000 away. So at the end, we're going to have 2 thousands left. Now this is going to be the answer. Christian is going to have 2,114 stickers left. Now let's represent the algorithm. The algorithm says that the minuend, which is the whole, is 3,000 368. And now we're going to subtract the subtrahend, which is the part that is 1,254. Now, when we finish, we're going to find the missing part, which is going to be the difference of these two numbers. Don't forget in your subtraction to place the subtraction symbol. Now let's start with the ones again. I have 8 ones minus 4 ones. I'm going to have 4 ones left. I have 6 tens minus 5 tens. That's going to leave only 1 10 left. If I have 3 hundreds and I take 2 hundreds away, I'm going to have 100 left. And if I have 3 thousands and I take 1,000 away, I'm going to have only 2 thousands left. So the answer again is 2,114 stickers left. We can represent the same subtraction using sentences. So we can tell again that 8 ones minus 4 ones makes 4 ones, or 4 ones are left. Then 6 tens minus 5 tens leaves 1 10 left. 3 hundreds minus 100 leaves only 100. And finally, 3 thousands minus 1,000 leaves 2 thousands left. Now let's see how we can check the answer of our problem. To check the answer, we need to remember that the whole is 3,368. That's the minuend. And then the part that Sophia had is 1,254. That's the subtrahend. When you subtracted these two numbers, we got the difference, which is the amount of stickers that Christian has, 2,141. Now, I did this algorithm, and to prove the answer, what I'm going to do is if I add the two parts together, then I have to get the whole. So what we're going to do is take the subtrahend, take the difference, and this time we're going to add those numbers together. And if we get the same number as the minuend, which is the whole, that means our operation is right. So 4 ones plus 4 ones makes 8 ones. 5 tens plus 1 10 makes 6 tens. 2 hundreds plus 100 makes 300. And then 1,000 plus 2,000 makes 3,000. Now if you notice, now the whole, in the addition, we have the whole at the bottom, right? This is our whole. And then our parts are going to make the whole. So this part plus this part makes the whole. And because the sum of the two numbers is the same as the minuend, which is the whole, that means our operation is right. We don't have mistakes in the subtraction. Now we can write the answer to our question, which is that Christian has 2,114 stickers. Let's do a review. The number you're going to represent in a subtraction is the whole, which is the greatest number, 3,368. And from that number, you're going to subtract the least number, which is 2,114. Always start subtracting in the ones. That's step number 1. 8 ones minus 4 ones is going to leave only 4 ones left. Then step number 2 is subtract the tens. You have 6 tens minus 5 tens, 1 10 is going to be left. Step number 3 is going to be subtract the hundreds. You have 3 hundreds, you take 2 away, and 1 is going to be left. Step number 4, subtract the thousands. You have 3 thousands, you take 1 away, and they're going to have 2 left. And remember too, that to prove your answer, you have to add the subtrahend and the difference to find, which are the two parts, to find the whole. And when you find the addition and you have the whole, make sure it's the same as the minuend, and if they are the same, that means your answer is right. Before leaving, I'm going to leave you with a little challenge, which is going to be to solve this subtraction. 3,418 minus 3,102. See you next time. Bye.